This project comes from fixing an annoyance, solving a problem, and a better lathe leads to better results, better videos, and is better for everyone. For this lathe upgrade project, I'll be updating this terrible rubber grip. The threads are stripped so it can't ever be properly tightened, and it wiggles around so it's always hard to tell if the tailstock is not quite locked yet or the grip is just about to break off. To be consistent with the other handles I made, I decided to break out the knurling tool again and make a similar styled grip to put on the tailstock lock lever. Also, if you haven't seen the video making these handles yet, be sure to check it out. The first thing to do is find out what the thread size is and make sure I have a tap for it. M8 by 125 is pretty common and definitely included in the tap and die set I have, which I also link below if you're curious. So let's get started. I'm just putting this back on until I have this project finished. It wouldn't be a lathe project without an initial facing cut. It turns out that the little ring the chuck made when I hit the end of the piece is the perfect reference size for the bottom diameter that the handle needs to be. The major diameter isn't a critical measurement, I just wanted to clean it up so it's uniform and will knurl nicely. This is a pretty lazy way to make a taper, and for aluminum it seems to work nicely, but be careful on tougher materials. I'm not sure how it got slightly out of focus, but sorry about that. I just used a bit of cork gasket material to protect the knurled pattern from the chuck. After parting, the handle looks really surprisingly great, but there is a slight edge I want to clean up and do a little finish polishing. This is part of the bonus feature. I'm sticking a neodymium magnet to the top of the lever, and it's related to the hole that I drilled through the entire handle. A little bit of red Loctite just to keep it honest. And I think it looks and feels great. I went a little heavy on the knurling, but I'm not too worried about it. It's also nice that it now matches the other handles. Now for the bonus feature. Since I always find myself looking for the tailstock drill chuck key, I thought this would be a good place to store it and the magnet would help hold it in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I do have a couple more upgrades lined up, but I need to get more material before I can do them. If you have any thoughts, please comment below, hit that thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and thanks so much for watching.